Hello! In this quick video, we'll be showing you how Tenstorrent and DIAL come together to deploy a powerful, enterprise-grade, open-source AI ecosystem. The Tenstorrent Galaxy server provides optimized versions of super powerful open-source models like Qwen, Llama, Gemma, and more. Today, I'll show you a few examples of what we can build on top of them with DIAL. First, let's select our model, in this case, Qwen. Here, we can interact with it like any other model. You can see that it's quite snappy and responsive, a nice general-purpose LLM for everyday tasks like code generation, email summarization, and more. In this next example, we've built a DIAL RAG tool that utilizes Qwen under the hood. This allows us to upload files and retrieve information from them with ease. Here, I'll ask it to tell me about the differences between QuietBox and LoudBox based on this file. You can see it working through the documents and providing an answer, along with the relevant citations for each of the extracted snippets. Where the DIAL plus Tenstorrent story really shines is with the modular approach to agent building. Let's take a look at a quick app that combines this RAG tool with up-to-date information from Microsoft's Learn MCP server, using Qwen to orchestrate between them. We'll start by asking for a comparison of Tenstorrent hardware. It searches through the documents, but it asks us for additional context and sources. This is where we'll ask our agent to supplement this with information from Microsoft's Learn MCP. Another example of an agentic application built on top of this hardware and software stack is the mind map. We've indexed a large set of documents and created a visual representation of the nodes and connections between them. This creates an interactive experience for users to learn about the different products and ask questions about them. The mind map application allows users to verify and validate the nodes before sharing the mind map with end users. Next, I'd like to dive a bit deeper and show you how all DIAL models and agents can be used programmatically as well with its API-first approach. The DIAL admin is where the models, in this case Qwen 3, as well as published applications and MCP servers are specified. We also define users and API keys here. Let me create an API key and show you how we can use it from OpenCode to create a fully on-prem code assistant. I simply add my API key to OpenCode's configuration, and now I can select the same model I was using before from OpenCode and use it to help me with my coding tasks. And even though it's done over the API, running the code assistant through DIAL gives us access to all the DIAL core features like guardrails and usage analytics as well. I hope you enjoyed this brief demo about how DIAL and Tenstorrent can help you make super powerful agents to handle the majority of your everyday tasks in a safe, secure environment that is fully your own. Thank you.